When your PC's system memory fails, it can cause a variety of issues. So if your Dell laptop is experiencing no post, random crashes, slow performance, even blue screen of death, then follow these troubleshooting steps to help resolve memory issues. If your laptop can boot into Windows, use the SupportAssist troubleshooter to help detect memory errors. Windows search and select SupportAssist and open it. On the main page, click on the Troubleshooting tab. Select I want to troubleshoot my PC and expand I want to check a specific piece of hardware. Scroll down to Memory Devices and click on Memory to see the two hardware scan test options. The basic test detects the most common issues with your RAM. It's quick and it's good for routine checks. What you want in this case is the advanced test. It is a much more extensive test and is the best choice for detecting a hardware issue with the RAM sticks. This test can take up to 40 minutes, so be sure to keep your laptop on and plugged in. If any issues are detected, make a note of any error codes and validation codes and contact Dell support through social media to provide them with the information. Interested in ways to increase your laptop battery life? Then click the link shown to see how you can get the most out of your charge. If your laptop cannot boot into Windows, or if you keep having issues and the previous test didn't show any errors, you can always run a pre-boot hardware test for your laptop system. Turn on your system and start tapping the F12 key once the Dell logo appears. This will access the one-time boot menu. Select Diagnostics, which should initiate the quick test. Be sure to make a note of any error codes and validation codes that appear after the test completes, and if any issues are detected, contact Dell support through social media and provide the codes along with the issue description. If the quick test produces no memory errors, then run the advanced memory error test. While still within the SupportAssist onboard diagnostic screen, click on Advanced Test. Tick the options for memory and also for thorough mode. With those two ticked, click on Run Test, which will start an extensive test on the system memory that could take up to 40 minutes, so be sure to keep your system on. Make a note of any error codes and validation codes, and contact Dell support if any issues are found. If no errors are found after running these tests, move on to the next step. To learn how to use the Microsoft System Configuration tool to improve your system's performance, click the link shown to watch our video. Try removing the memory RAM from your system to test them. If you have another system on hand that uses the same type of memory, with both systems off, remove all the RAM sticks from the PC with the issues and install them in the other system, and then turn the system on. If the other system fails, this means that the memory sticks are failing. If the other system runs normally, then there might be a problem with your original system's motherboard. If this is the case, you should contact Dell support for further assistance. If there is more than one memory stick, you should test them one at a time. This will help identify which of the RAM modules is the one that is failing. If you don't have another system available for testing, remove all the RAM sticks and then insert each one individually into each open RAM slot and run the system for each separately. If the system fails, then you know that specific memory stick is bad. If you have more than one, test them all using this same method to be sure. For important information about avoiding electrostatic discharge and how to protect your computer equipment from ESD damage, click the link shown to watch our video. To relay any error code messages received, or if you still need help with troubleshooting, contact Dell support through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum where you can join in a chat or start a new one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.